That just burnt my ear to a crisp. Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be trying out the new Shark FlexStyle. It is what I would call the dupe of the Dyson Airwrap. So if you are not already, please subscribe to my channel and I hope you enjoy this video. Okay, I have washed my hair and now I'm gonna put one of these in to try and get the excess water out. I previously, before getting my hair done, would braid it when it was soaking wet like this, and apparently that's not a good idea. So I'm gonna put it in one of these and give it a little while, maybe like 30 minutes to an hour, and then we'll get to drying it and curling it. We'll see. Looks kind of crazy up here in the front, but we did it. I look crazy. So I'm gonna do this for a little while and I'll be right back. All right, y'all, let's do this. I have it pulled out of the box, and first and foremost, it has a very long cord. If you're wondering, it's very long. Okay, so I'm gonna take my hair out of this thing. It's been like 45 minutes. Hopefully this is dry enough. The instructions do say to do the curlers, you want your hair to be like 80 to 90% dry. Probably need to rough dry it really quick. And I do want to preface this by saying I have no idea what I'm doing. I just got my hair done a few weeks ago for the first time since the end of 2019. Prior to this, when I washed it, I put it in a braid. Bad idea. So now I'm forced to dry my hair every time I wash it, and I'm really nervous. Not only that, I have no idea what I'm doing. So there you go. I'm gonna start with the leave-in. This is the Redken Acidic Perfecting Concentrate. Never used this before, but we're gonna try it. This stuff's supposed to be really good. It has really good reviews on Amazon. And then the next thing that I'm excited to use is the Redken Quick Blowout. By the way, I got these small sample sizes because the full sizes are expensive and I wanna make sure I like them before I buy the big ones. This is the main one that I wanted to get because my hairstylist used it and it smelled really, really good. It literally made my hair smell good for the 7 days that I go without washing it. Flash drying, heat protectant. So I'm just gonna section it in half because like, I don't have time to do a bunch of sections. So I'm just gonna do it in half and hope for the best. So I'm just gonna spray this in really quick. Oh, it smells so freaking good. This is the Shark. I did notice that there are these buttons on the back, and this one lets it come down like this. So you can use it as like a normal hair dryer, which the Dyson doesn't do, just saying. And then you've got these buttons here on the front. Don't ask me what they do because I don't know. I've read the instructions briefly. So I'm gonna do full air, full heat. Do what's best for you. I'm not recommending it, but if I'm gonna take the time to blow dry my hair, I'm doing it on full blast. And I have been told to not cover these air vents with your hand. Okay, so I think I'm there with the section, which is crazy because that was really fast. I don't know, what do y'all think? Look, am I there? It's hard to tell when it's still hot like this. Maybe a little longer. And I do want to say, I'm not totally convinced this is gonna work well. I had one of those, I forget the brand, I think it was Revlon, hair dryers that was burning everybody's hair off. Plus, anytime I've ever blow dried my hair, it always just ends up being super frizzy. I can never get rid of the frizz, so I don't know. I'm not convinced this is gonna work well for me, but I really wanna try it. So I'm gonna do the upper section. Now see, y'all, look at this frizzy hair. Let's try one of the brushes and see if it takes the frizz out. Okay, I'm gonna try this one. And let's see what it does. Not bad. It doesn't get rid of the frizz necessarily, but I can see the appeal. I don't know. What do y'all think? I'm hoping that the curlers are gonna get rid of the frizz. And this is one of the main reasons I used to braid my hair when it was wet and let it air dry, because I would have zero frizz when I did it that way. Okay, so let's try a curler. I'm gonna start with this one that says left. So we wanna take a super small piece. I think it said like less than an inch, but like, let's just try this front piece right here. Oh, I'm nervous, I'm nervous, I'm nervous. On. Like I said, hold it about here and put it here. Come on. Oh, oh, oh. And let it go and bring it up. Oh my God. In about 10 seconds. And then do the cool shot for 10 seconds. Okay, I wouldn't say that that's necessarily cool hair. Okay, wow. Girl, what? Okay. I wasn't really expecting that. That's impressive. I will say, having it that close to my ear was really hot. Oh, wait, no, I don't want to mess it up now. But it's cute, what the heck? Okay, let's keep going. I'm gonna push the limits here and see if I can do like a chunkier piece, because that's what saves the time for me, is not doing really small pieces. On, put it behind. Hello. Okay, of course it's gonna work the first time. Come on, little friend. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, no. Hold on. Wow, it already curled it. Okay, so I don't think it helps looking in the mirror trying to place this. If you guys know what I'm talking about, anytime like you look in a mirror and you're trying to like, does that make sense? Does anybody know what I'm talking about? And it probably doesn't help that I'm doing a big section, but you know what? We're just experimenting. Oh, yeah. Okay. Yes. Oh, but it's so hot on my poor ear. I'm putting my hand here. Oh, it's so hot. Okay. Cool. Oh my God, it's burning my ear to death though, y'all. Ow. Okay, wait, I gotta stop. Turn it off. Okay, that just burnt my ear to a crisp. Oh, I don't know if it's because I have an earring in. Look at this. Because I have this earring right here, but that is too hot. I'm gonna have to turn the heat down on this thing. That was really hot. I panicked for a second. Yeah, okay. And then turn it off. This is stressing me out a little bit, and like having to pull my hair out like that. Okay, but she's curling. Look at this. Damn. Okay, I'm gonna keep going and I'll be right back. Okay, both sides done. I feel like I'm really starting to get the hang of it too. And keep in mind, you know, this is my first time using it, but so far, I really like it. So I'm gonna try front piece. I'm nervous about this because these are the ones that actually need to look good. So let's try it. Oh, I kind of hate that I have to like drag it out of my hair, but you know. So this thing is really impressing me, and I can tell that the curls aren't going to last like this for a long time, but that's kind of what I want. I don't really want curls that last like this. I like ones that kind of fall and turn more into beachy waves. So I'm gonna keep going and I'll be right back. Something that might be interesting, this piece is still pretty wet, so I want to see what happens on a pretty damp piece, because most of my hair has been pretty dry at this point. Ugh. Seems like it worked just as well. Almost done. No. Oh my God. So yeah, I definitely prefer these to fall a little bit, but if you look, the under layer has already fallen a bunch, which is okay by me. I prefer that. But so far, I love this thing. I'm gonna be completely honest with you. For the purpose that I want it, I love it. This is gonna look a little crazy right now, but we gotta let it fall. But if you look at this side, sorry if you hear my dog. If you look at the side, beautiful. And this will fall into that. Keeping in mind, I have very thick, very frizzy hair. This does exactly what I want it to do. I think next time I'll probably skip the blow drying altogether just to try and minimize the frizz. I'll probably just go straight in with the curling. Let me know what you think. Do you want this product? I've never used the Dyson version, so I don't know if it's any better, but from everything I've heard, I feel like I have so much hair right now. But everything I've heard from people that have the Dyson say it's amazing, and when they try this one too, say it's equally as amazing. I don't really have any complaints with it other than it really toasted my ear, but I found a solution. While I'm doing it, I just cover my ear. And I did end up turning the heat down to the middle option. So what do you guys think? I like it. It fits the purpose that I want it for, like I said before, because I also bought this curler that I want to try out. And I mainly wanted this blow dryer curler for immediately when I get out of the shower, because like I said earlier, I don't want to leave my hair wet anymore. This suits that purpose for me. I really like how it looks. I like how the curls are falling. Let me show you the back. Forewarning, I don't know what the back looks like, so y'all may be laughing at me. Here's the back. I like it. I like it. Have you guys tried this? Do you have any tips for me? Let me know down in the comment section. Also, if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, and maybe I'll come back and do it with semi-wet hair and skip the blow drying. Also, let me know if you guys want to know what this looks like tomorrow, because the curls are definitely falling. The ones I originally did are falling. Let me know what you guys think. I love it. I don't really have any complaints, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. I like that.